You searched how to buy shares of SEI Investments Company, a U.S.-based investment services firm listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SEIC. This quick guide explains the steps and is educational only, not financial advice. To buy SEIC, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SEIC to find the listing. Make sure you select the entry that matches SEI Investments Company on NASDAQ. On the stock page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart for reference. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm it's the correct asset. To invest, click Buy or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will execute when trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade completes, and a link to eToro is available in the description below.